Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we're diving into a practical and essential guide, how to write a Singapore visa invitation letter. If you're planning to host someone in Singapore, this letter is a crucial part of their visa application process. A well-structured invitation letter not only supports their application, but also demonstrates your commitment as a host. Let's break it down step by step to ensure you get it right. Follow along with the template as we explore each section in detail. Sender's information. The first section of the letter includes your personal details. Write your full name, complete address, postal code, city, email address, and phone number. This information ensures that the visa officer can verify your identity and reach out if needed. For example, Emma Tan, 123 Orchard Road, 238456, Singapore. emma.tan@email.com, +65 912 34 567. Make sure all the information is accurate and current. This establishes your credibility as the host and provides a clear starting point for the letter. Date. Include the date when you're writing the letter. Use a clear and formal format, such as March 15th, 2025. This ensures the letter is timely and relevant to the visa application process. Recipient's information. Address the letter to the visa officer at the Embassy of Singapore in the visitor's home country. Be sure to include the full embassy address to ensure it reaches the correct office. For example, the visa officer, Embassy of Singapore, 456 Consular Avenue, Mumbai, India. This information highlights the formality of the letter and directs it to the right authority. Subject line. The subject line summarizes the purpose of the letter. Write something clear and concise, such as Subject. Invitation for Jane Doe to visit Singapore. This ensures the visa officer immediately understands the purpose of your letter. Salutation. Start the letter with a formal salutation like, Dear Visa Officer. This sets a respectful tone for the letter. Opening paragraph. Purpose of the visit. In the opening paragraph, introduce the visitor and explain the purpose of their trip. Be specific about the dates of the visit and where they will stay. For example, I am writing to formally invite Jane Doe, residing at 789 Park Avenue, Mumbai, India, to visit me in Singapore from April 10, 2025 to May 10, 2025. The purpose of their visit is to attend a family reunion and explore the vibrant culture of Singapore. During their stay, Jane will reside at my home at 123 Orchard Road, Singapore. This paragraph provides key details about who is visiting, why they are coming, and where they will stay. It sets the foundation for the rest of the letter. Body paragraph 1. Relationship and visit details. In the first body paragraph, explain your relationship with the visitor and the significance of their visit. For instance, Jane and I are close friends, and this visit provides us with the opportunity to reconnect after several years apart. It also allows us to celebrate a special family occasion together, strengthening our bond. This personal context adds authenticity to the letter and helps the visa officer understand the importance of the visit. Body paragraph 2. Accommodation and financial support. The second body paragraph focuses on the visitor's accommodation and any financial support you'll provide. For example, I confirm that I will provide accommodation for Jane Doe at my residence during her entire stay. Additionally, I will cover her daily expenses, travel within Singapore, and any unforeseen costs. To support this invitation, I am enclosing the following documents. 1. A copy of my Singapore identity card. 2. Proof of my address in Singapore, utility bill. 3. Recent financial statements as proof of financial capability. This reassures the visa officer that you are prepared to take responsibility for your guest's stay. Visitor's details. Next, provide specific details about the visitor. For example, full name, Jane Doe. Date of birth, February 15, 1985. Passport number, A1234567889. Relationship to me, friend. These details link the invitation letter directly to the visitor's visa application, ensuring consistency. Body paragraph 3. Assurance of return. In the final body paragraph, address the visitor's intention to return to their home country. For example, Jane has assured me of her intention to return to India after her visit. She has strong commitments, including her job as a marketing manager and her family responsibilities in Mumbai. This section is critical because it addresses one of the visa officer's primary concerns, the visitor's likelihood of returning home after their trip. Closing paragraph, offer for further assistance. Conclude the letter by offering to provide additional information or documentation. For example, should you require further details or documentation, please feel free to contact me at +65 91234 567 or emma.tan@email.com. This leaves the door open for communication and demonstrates your willingness to assist. Thank you and complimentary close. Thank the visa officer for their time and consideration. Use a formal closing such as, "Thank you for your attention to this application. Yours sincerely, Emma Tan." A polite closing leaves a positive impression. Attachments. At the end of the letter, list any supporting documents you've included. For example, copy of Singapore identity card, proof of address, utility bill, financial statements. Label this section clearly as attachments to keep the letter organized. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to write a Singapore visa invitation letter. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, keep writing with purpose and clarity.